Ngisuwing pa Salantini Koborrang Media Network kunim chaksua anga Alicia A sangma na simang na dali Koborrang ko para katinga kata bichungrang Shillong Maulai Euro no kebri kama water supply scheme na pangsakan yung CM senyo nanga chung pa Koborrang Mongolbar prungo Shillong Maulai Euro tangaduk wal kamani chi mandirangi dongeng gepanok tebri kamaha wal kama man gepanok Maulai oni saksa Martina nonglang ni mandirang na paro ning gepa achem Andake ongon noko wal kamani japang karen kamani chi ongna nanga ne chanchi chipenga. Maulai aronong tmaini fire and emergency department ni asel ongbab yapona sokpa e wa kaming pa wal ko boni kmet namat na ya aselo darang saksa ba mamang saknani rangko matuk jaha ne khobor ko manswaha. Jal Jeevan Mission ni kamrang ko chusokatani na ya bilsio ba getong pa changna Meghalaya adukna Tangka paisarang ko buksis takyo undap na singa ne Mongolba salo adok ni skutung minister connect ke sang mga parakatanga ha. New Shillong Township ni ngo donggapa songrang na aru umpling jolo donggaparang na water supply scheme ni pangchakani ko sungyo nangani salo skutung minister jinmana ya nambik pa khobor ko parakatang jolanga ha. Ya water supply scheme ko baryatani kamrang sumay gatan machotke ni connect sang ma kura chakani ko nanga ha aru ya kamrang ko name nirokchina gata connect sang ma PhD department ni official ranko Didiang Jolaha.
Meghalaya state made a jump of 43%, which is from 0.75%, which is 1% approximately, to about 43% coverage in a matter of 2 years. Higher than the jump, the delta, which we call. And we are one of the best performing states when it comes to programs like Jal Jeevan Mission. In fact, we are the only state, or rather we will be the only state which will be getting continuously the third phase or the third package of bonus continuously for 3 years for successfully completing the projects which were budgeted in that particular year and utilizing all the funds that were required to be utilized to get the bonus. And therefore it speaks volumes and is testimony of the kind of work that is going on in the PhD department and the transformation that's taking place in terms of the water supply that is going to the people of the state.
Yan dal na Koborrang nga niswing pa Salantini kon metela.